20-25 seconds, 50% of CVs get ignored. Now the question is, why do they get ignored? They get ignored because they do not address any specific position. They don't ask like, I want this position or I want that position. Generally they are saying any suitable position, any job. This is not the duty of the employer or the recruiter to find what job can suit you. It is your duty. You have to make their work easy and not increase their workload. So if somebody has 150 to 100 CVs, that he will just like select which matches his requirement or her requirement. So do not ask for any job or any suitable job. You should specify, narrow down your choices. Mention 1 or 2 jobs only. If you have 2